Alright, so guys, I'm back. I'm going to do a Sephora haul video today. I mentioned that I went shopping to Sephora on my birthday, which is August 29th, so I had to hit up the racks. And I literally just went in there for one thing, which was a setting spray, and came out with a whole bunch. So before we jump into the video, everything's purchased with my own money, of course. Here are my receipts from Sephora. Alright, that's set. So we're just going to get into the good stuff. Most of y'all people know, if you shop at Sephora, you do know you get like a birthday gift. I believe they do have one for a holiday if you're a beauty membership. Have a beauty membership. So this year's birthday gift is this Glow Glam Hello Sexy kind of moisturizers. I'm gonna look inside. Let's see. And yes, all these products been sitting in this bag since the 29th of August. I've been using it, some of them. I haven't used everything in this bag yet, but some of them I have definitely used. Alright, so it comes with 2 moisturizer tubes. One is called Glow Starter. Is a mega illuminated moisturizer. So this would be this one, and it's called Glow Starter. I have no idea what the hell this is, but I'm going to show you the reason why I picked this. And it's for this one. Okay, so the next one would be Super Mug. This one is a clearing treatment. This one is a 0.5 ounces. I have no idea what this is either. But I did put this on my face. So I thought it was going to get like a glow out of this, actually. Let's see. Oh, I didn't use this one. It's not the one I used. It's all the plastic on it. So this one. The Glow Starter is the one I use. They have the color Nude Glow. Yes, this is the one I used. Swatch here. Again, the noise is my fan. I'm not in my closet this time, but it's hot. I have 2 fans in here, so I just need something like a little closer to me, so that's what you hear. It's just mainly a moisturizer. Nothing too fancy. Onto the next. Alright, so the next thing I got is this Givenchy. It's like a small mini set. The thing, like, again, I'm obsessed with that Q line thing in Sephora. Definitely I'll be all over the store, but definitely when I'm ready to purchase an item, I'm like literally digging through that whole line Q of products. So I found this there. This Givenchy. It gives you 2 lipsticks. Before I talk about the lipsticks, let's get into it because they're not specifically lipstick. So you get 2. One is a 3-in-1 balm. It's a moisturizer, plumper, and color enhancer. And this is what it looks like. I haven't tried this one yet. I'm very interested. Givenchy. I didn't even know they made lip balms. So that's really kind of cool. They get that back in there. And this one here is a black lipstick that reacts to the lips pH for a custom look. This I have definitely tried. My lips turn purple. I don't know if that's my pH lip balance, but my lips are purple when I use this. That's what it looks like. It looks like up far away it looks black, but up close it looks a little purplish. And maybe that's just because my lips and I see glitter on it. That's from when I wear it. I had glitter on my lips. Now the main thing that I went into Sephora for was the Urban Decay Oil Control Setting Spray. That's all I wanted was a setting spray, and then yeah, of course, while I'm getting this, I see all other good stuff. But this is the Urban Decay Oil Control Setting Spray. Comes like this, and definitely yes, I have used it. This is the small one. This is actually a 1.04 ounce. 2 tops. I have no idea why I just have 2 tops on it. It's actually annoying. But hey, it's just a regular setting spray. I have 2 setting sprays that I mainly stick to. Will be the Urban Decay. I think Urban Decay is like, no, it's not the first setting spray I ever tried. MAC was the first setting spray I ever tried. Urban Decay would be the second. So I usually try to stick with 2 setting sprays, MAC and Urban Decay, but of course I always go out and venture into other setting sprays to see which one works best for me. So moving on to the next. Alright, next product that I got is like 3 diamond shaped beauty blenders or sponges, whatever you want to call. I use one of them, so one in here is actually dirty. It's going to contaminate my other ones. Jesus Christ. Alright, so yeah, I just needed more beauty blenders, so why not? Can't have too many, right? So the next is my baby, my favorite thing that I always love to use, and especially because I'm missing my eyeliner and keep forgetting to buy a new one, so my life's been saved. So they had a Marc Jacobs value set. This opens like this. In the set you get a eyeliner, you get a mascara, and you also get a like brownish matte eyeliner pencil. So the black eyeliner is retractable, so you just pull it up, swirl it up. Of course I use it because I need my eyeliner. You have this small little mascara. And this is the brown baby. So you get this brown eyeliner. It's really good for smudging. And as you see, that's what it looks like. It's just like a chocolate brown. For smoky eyes, I always will recommend that. So that's that. Marc Jacobs. 3 items, and I just lost the eyeliner. No, I didn't. Gotta keep up with these stuff. Keep up. Alright, the next thing is Fenty Beauty. Another value set. It comes with 2 mini lipsticks. Let's open this. I have not used this yet. Actually looking very forward to it. I have a lip gloss from them and also a blush, also value set as well. So to add this to my collection, that would be great. Swatch this close. I will leave all information in the description box, so you can know. This is like a burgundy color. I'll just put it away. So this is like a burgundy color. You can't have too much burgundy colors. Here's a swatch of that. This one is more like a pinkish, reddish, pink, reddish. I would say like a new pink. I like this though. It's a new pink. That's what this looks like. Swatch this. Yeah. Oh, this is definitely pink. Uh-oh. So maybe if I go light-handed when using this, it'll come out better. Hopefully. Yep, so those are the 2 swatches from the Fenty Beauty lipsticks, the value set, and I'm losing things always. Alright, so the next thing I'm very excited to use, this is the Natasha Denona Blush Glow, another value set. She has this blush highlight and palette thing. And it has, one of them has a diamond powder in it. It's a lot of money. I have not got to it yet. So that's like on my wish dream list. One day I will get it. It's like $100 and something. Like literally, it is expensive. Good quality though. I play with it a lot when I go to Sephora. But other than that, it's a lot of money. So to have a part of the prize is actually really wonderful and exciting to me. This is what the packaging looks like, and of course it's gold, and it have like this rose gold writing and white writing on it. So it's fun. It's fun. It's fun. I just want to see outside this, and I am not getting that. Oh well. All right. So here's what this looks like. You get a little mirror in it. Here's your blush right here. Here's your highlighter. I use the blush, of course. Like blind people. There we go. So the swatch. Reason why I have the fan so close to me, I've been having heat rashes. Even though I love the heat, like I was born in the summer, I love 90 degrees. Oh, this is not a highlighter, this is a bronzer. Sorry, I didn't look. Yeah, I love 90 degrees. I was born in summer, but lately I've been having heat rashes, so I literally have to stay under a fan. I don't do ACs because ACs is too cold for me. So I just like to fan up. So here's these swatches. This is the bronzer. This is the highlight right here. Bronzer, highlight, bronzer, highlight. So that's that. And this is the last thing I bought. So I just want to go over the item prices that I bought. Alright, so the Givenchy Duo lip set was $25. The Marc Jacob set was $25 as well. The Natasha Denona Blush Glow is $19. Then you have the Kabuki brushes, sponges, that was $12. The Fancy Beauty Lip Duo, that was $19. And my birthday gift was free. And my Urban Decay Mini Oil Control Spray was $15. So roughly I spent on this one $50.88. This one is $75.12. And the total of all of that together, too much money that I should be spending. But it was my birthday, so I decided to treat myself and go all out. Of course, there's no such thing as having too much makeup. Never too much. There's nothing says you can't have too much makeup. No rule. No rule. So buy on. It was fun. My only problem now is how I'm going to store all of this, because I'm like packed. So like I said, I was going to do my haul video so I could put all of this away and not have this in my closet sitting in the bag, because too much stuff in that closet could come overwhelming for me. I love my closet to death, but because it's a walk-in closet, I have a great amount of space, but keeping it clean and organized is a lot. It really is. So I just wanted to do my little video. I hope you guys enjoy. Also, pick up a couple of these items. It's pretty good. I will definitely do a review or keep an update on certain items, especially the Givenchy. I'll let y'all know how that goes. Marc Jacobs really is nothing too special. They use the same products all the time. So, clean up my mess. Alright, I got everything in my bag. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy my Sephora haul video. Birthday edition. So I hope all you guys enjoy your rest of your day. Stay cool, have fun, be safe. Don't hurt nobody, guys. See ya later.